We see electrification not only as the future, but as a way to change the boating experience. We want to provide clean, easy, maintenance-free, low-impact navigation on a variety of different segments in the market today. The great thing about electric technology is it delivers on a promise of very quiet, very easy navigation, and we are trying to adapt each use case with the particular technologies available. So whether that be day boating on high-speed boats out in lakes and rivers, or whether that be long-distance cruising on the canals and rivers of the inland seas, or on sailboats and even on catamarans with hybrid technology. And for all of these different segments, we are working with different partners, and we really are changing the way that we can deliver the electric boating experience tomorrow. The Groupe Beneteau is committed to finding the right partners to move our vision forward in terms of electrification and hybrid technology. For that, we need engaged partners. We need partners that share our visions, and we need partners that can follow us not only on an industrial scale, but also in terms of the service, the deliverability, and the real changing of the client experience. And for that, we have identified two key partners. One is Torqeedo, a company making small outboards and inboard engines up to 200 kilowatts, and they're the ones we are using to develop Delphia and a lot of our sailboat technology. And a second company, Vision Marine, a company that is today building the largest, most powerful outboard technology on the market today, with the industrial capacity and the innovation to really bring to market a true solution for outboard boating with electrification.
At Torqeedo, everything is about making boating 100% zero emission. So for us, this means that going electric is the superior technology for the boating industry. We have been the pioneers, the first ones around 17 years ago to bring this technology to the market. And we could maintain our position, being still the market leader today. We have motors from 0.5 kilowatt to 200 kilowatt in a system. So that enables a super wide range of boats to go electric, to go zero emission on the water. If we think about why people go on the water, they want to experience the nature, they want to spend an amazing time with their friends and family. Of course, the CO2 emissions impact the climate change, and of course the other NOx emissions and everything that pollutes the waters is harming the nature, and therefore going electric, going zero emission, I think this is not a question, but this is a need if we want to still explore and experience an amazing experience in the future when we go on the water. But it's not only about sustainability, it's also about fun and comfort, as I said, because going electric is so much fun. It's easy to use, it's easy to understand for everyone. If two market leaders such as the Groupe Beneteau and Torqeedo, being the leader in e-mobility on the water, share the same vision of making boating a more sustainable experience in the future, this can of course be only an amazing collaboration. Together we have started some years ago with the first prototypes also in development. So together we could identify the most important things the customers want to have in the future. And we made amazing systems together. We are collaborating on the first 44, which is the whole sustainable concept itself. We are collaborating on electrifying the Oceanus product range. And of course Delphia, the motorboat brand for mindful cruising in inland waterways, which is the perfect use case for going electric as well. We could do all this because we always put the customer in the center of all of our activities and to develop together the best solution.
So Vision Marine Technologies is out of Montreal, Canada. We're manufacturing the 180E E-Motion, 180 horsepower equivalent electric outboard power system. This power system is a 700 volt system with two 35 kilowatt battery packs. Charging time is about 10 hours from zero. The autonomy on this motor and packs is about 2 hours at 20 miles an hour planing speed. This motor's been in development since 2018, and we've actually perfected the system, and as you can see, Groupe Beneteau thinks the same. So after over a year of development in the H2 four winds, they have liked the results, the performance, the power, everything that it has to offer. Offering a green option has been something that the group has wanted for many years, and now we're finally offering it to them. When developing this motor, Vision Marine Technologies was targeting boats between 18 and 26 feet, or 6 to 8 meters, anything that would normally have 150 to 225 horsepower. That's the sweet spot, and we saw a huge market for it. Again, the market is increasing year over year. The outboard industry, the market itself, we're expecting to see topping 1.4 million units sold by 2026. We're looking for 1% of that market share. We see everything pivoting towards electric. We saw it in the automotive industry. The marine industry is following, and we want to be the first ones. Hence the partnership with Groupe Beneteau. We think it's very important to have them aboard because of how big of a player they are in the game, and we're very excited to work with them during this.